Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10th, Pakistan Studies. New topic is privatization and industrialization during the Musharraf era. So, before Pervez Musharraf, Benazir Bhutto, Mian Muhammad Nawaz Sharif started privatization process. It was aimed to end poverty and the payment of foreign loans. In Musharraf and Shaukat Aziz's government, the income from privatization was spent on the payment of foreign loans and social welfare. So, here is a short question: in which under which amounts were the Habib Bank and UBL privatized? So the answer: the Habib Bank was sold for only 22 billion and United Bank Limited was sold only for 13 billion rupees in December 2004. Short question number 9 of book exercise. Here you can maybe ask which institutes were privatized in Musharraf era and for which amount. So PTCL. Privatization Commission sold 26% shares of PTCL to Itsal, a Dubai company. Pakar Fertilizer of Mirpur, Mathilo for 8 billion. Pakar Fertilizer of Multan for 13 billion. Pak American Fertilizer was sold for 16 billion rupees. Musharraf and Shaukat Aziz government earned $2.5 billion in a year through privatization. So only learn this short question. Now, setting up of new industries during Musharraf government, many new industries were set up in the country. So name and some industries set up in the Musharraf era. So car assembly, plant industry, motorcycle assembly, plant industries, sugar industry, chemical industries, industries for making food for basic needs, electric equipment industries, cement industries, and steel making industries are worth mentioning. Write any two positive and negative impact of privatization in General Pervez Musharraf era. Only two impact, positive and two negative impact. So government income increased by privatization. Load on the government to run the institution is released or come to zero. Private institutions are encouraged and investment in the country increases. Quality goods are produced in factories and the work capacity of the employees is increased. Negative impact: the unemployment increased and employees lost their jobs. Country's capital decreased and the personal capital increases. Cost of goods increases. Privatization creates unrest and insecurity among the employees working in an institution. Economic reforms introduced by Pervez Musharraf and Shaukat Aziz. Pervez Musharraf and Shaukat Aziz paid special attention to gross domestic product. GDP, gross domestic product. There was a 7% increase in it. They made economic policies and set up new industries in the country. Incentive of investment. Overseas Pakistani were advised to make investment in different fields of their country for future development. 22% increase the investment was achieved. Reduction in country's deficit. Before the Musharraf period, the country deficit was 7%, which was brought down to 4.5%. He took many positive measures to reduce poverty from 32% to 20%. यानी इसने गुर्बत को 32% से 20% तक लेके आया और डिफिक्ट यानी मुल्क का जो सारा नुकसान था 7% था जिसे वो 4.5% तक लेके आया. Obtaining energy. In order to get continuous supply for electricity and obtain energy, plans were made to increase hydropower production and change thermal plants to gas and coal plants. यानी hydropower production पानी से बिजली की पैदावार पे उसने तवज्जो दी and change thermal plants को गैस और कोल यानी कोयले से और गैस पे चलाने का इंतजाम किया. Solve the exercise and write all the short questions in your notebook and learn the long questions.